I'm from Pakenham, born and raised here.
I'm from Carleton Place.
I'm originally from New Brunswick, but I live in Arnprior now.
Born and raised in Orangeville, Ontario.
I'm from Bradford, Ontario.
I'm from Ottawa, born and raised.
From Carleton Place.
How long have you been a tech for?
36 years.
I've been a tech for almost 4 years.
Been here as a tech just over 4 months now.
I've been here for about 4 months.
Well, I'm in training right now. It's my second month.
I've worked here for 17 years now. I started off here for about 3-4 years as a technician. Went on to parts manager and then went on to service manager, and that didn't really fit well, so now I'm back as a shop foreman for the past 3 years.
What do you love most about your job?
Training technicians.
I'd have to say there's a surprise every day, and we're always learning.
Variety. Every day something different. You never know what's coming through the door. Could be something old, could be something new.
It's something different every day.
Heard that a lot.
You're never doing the same thing.
What advice would you give to someone who wants to become a tech?
Well, being an RV tech involves everything. So you're not doing just one thing every day. You have an RV license. You're into 12 volt. You're into electrical. You're into appliance repair. You're into plumbing. You're into hydraulics. Like, there's just so much you can do, and it's not the same thing every day.
I'd say that it's a pretty good trade to get into, and that there's lots of variety, there's all kinds of different stuff. You're never bored, and there's lots of challenges to face.
If you have aptitude in plumbing or carpentry or electronics, it's certainly valuable, and there's a big wide world of opportunity in the RV industry.
It's very interesting. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.